I've been looking for a reason to share some time. You keep turning your eyes away from mine. There's a secret that you keep and you got to let me know. 'Cause I can see behind the smiles that there's no peace. Tears will be a welcome release. If there's something that you're hiding, you got to let me know. Dark won't end. I'll be waiting there to take you. When the lights go out, I will guide you home. I'll be watching from the shadows while you sleep, filling up the space your heartbreak leaves. If there's something that is hurting you, please just let me in.